Welcome to Hidden Twisties. Today's ride is on Highway 160 crossing Wolf Creek Pass in southern Colorado. We're going to start about 5 miles north of Pagosa Springs, Colorado on 160. We're going to head northeast towards South Fork. We're going to turn around before we get there because I had to hustle back to Purgatory for the evening. The ride's about 33 miles in total. Like a lot of the roads I've filmed, the weather is cool in the morning. Pagosa Springs will be below 50 every morning, even in the summer, even though they do get up in the mid-80s during the afternoon. At Wolf Creek Pass, though, it's only going to be in the 60s at the warmest in the afternoon, and it gets very cold at night. I didn't spend a lot of time in Pagosa Springs. There was a lot of traffic from one end of town to the other. It's a very touristy area during the summer. I did stop at the Meltdown on Main, which is a food truck that serves up great grilled cheese sandwiches. Check it out. The road surface is beautiful all the way through. They've done a really good job with this road, and they maintain it really well. The scenery, as you can see, is incredible. This road does have a lot of traffic, trucks, and a lot of tourists. It is a main thoroughfare between South Fork and Pagosa Springs. But the engineers did a great job with the passing lanes, so the traffic doesn't slow you down too much. At this point in the ride, the temperature dropped down into the 50s. It wasn't too bad, but being overcast, it was a little bit cool, especially with my vintage jacket. This rain was cold. I highly recommend being prepared for cold, wet weather if you come up here. You don't want to be stranded in the cold in this type of environment. Wolf Creek Pass sits at almost 11,000 feet above sea level. The Lobo Overlook, which is just north of here, is almost 12,000 feet. You can see the scenery from the Lobo Overlook is incredible. So that's Wolf Creek Pass. I hope you enjoyed it. This entire area is really beautiful. You're going to see it in upcoming videos. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.